Oh, yes. Got a pair of totally purry love bugs. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, you two are super sweet. You especially. Yes, you are. Look at that purr. And I've got a cat up above my head, just smacking my hair around like it's nobody's business. Where are you going? What are you up to, buddy boy? What are you up to? Better yet, what are you up to? You're just hanging out in here. Yep, we're just hanging out. And there's your purr too. Are you a licker? Are you a licker? Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. And what are you doing? Being all affectionate. Of course, I should have known. Purrt? You're happy. Aren't you? Aren't you? I'm gonna make you roll over. Oh my goodness. What are you up to? What are you up to? Hello. I found you again. What a purr machine. What a purr machine. You're just gonna wash yourself for a bit. Yeah. Okay. Someone's getting up. Alright, buddy. I can't let you go too far. You don't want to anyway. You want to come see me. Yeah. Okay.